Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Grafted Technology. If this is your first time being here, please like this video and click that subscribe button, and you will not regret subscribing to this channel because you will always get lots of tutorials on technology and Microsoft Office related tutorials. So before I start, I just want to rename this sheet to Bill. You can rename sheet to Bill. Double click at that point and type in Bill. That's how to rename a sheet. So sheet 2, I'll just double click and type in accounts. So however, in this tutorial I'll be working with just this particular sheet here. So I'm talking about naming ranges, which will lead us to Vlookup. If you haven't seen the tutorial that I created about Vlookup, please kindly click the link that appears at the top right corner of this video. Alright, so I want to name a range. I want to name the range B16 column D20. B16 column D20. So what you need to do is locate B16. This is B16. How is it B16? This is it, by the name box. And here is column D21. And I want to name this range B16 column D21. I want to name it detail. Name range, you select that range B16 column D21. So you can see I've selected that range, so I'll double click and type in detail by the name box. Once you type in detail by the name box, you click the enter key. So this range, you have named it detail. So anytime you select that particular range, what you will see is detail, right? So that is what we call named range. Good. So once you have named a particular range or given it a name, what you now need to do is go ahead and work on Vlookup. So that just like what I did in the previous tutorial in Vlookup, what you need to do now is fill up this column with the information that you have here. Fill up this column with the information that you have here, but using the Vlookup formula. So I want to fill up the customer name, and here I have customer name, address, and here there are addresses. What is unique between this table and this table is the account number. You can see we have account number and there's account number here. So I want to use Vlookup. I go to that point. Now ensure that you have lookup and references. Scroll all the way down and select the Vlookup, click OK. Lookup value, because this is what is unique in this table. With this table, I'm going to be working with the account number because it's unique and it's common in this table and unique. So I click the account number. So and lookup value simply means what value do you have, what information do you have that you want to use to get another information from another table. So the information I have that is similar with what is in this table is account number. So that is why I'm working with account number. So I click on that point. That is lookup value. Table array. In the previous tutorial where I talked about the Vlookup, table array simply means from where do you want to get this information from? Where exactly do you want to get this information from? Remember, we named this range or this table detail. That's why we called it name range. So you type in detail there. Now column index number. Column index number simply means where exactly do you want, what number does that information, where is that information in that table? Where is that information in that table? Now this is the table you want to get the information from. Remember here, so this is the first number 1, 2, and 3. Because you have the same table on one sheet, so you count 1. You don't count from this point 1, 2, but you count from that table 1. This column is 1, this column is 2, this column is 3. Because we are looking for customer's name, so customer's name in this table is in 2. So column index number becomes 2. Range lookup. This box, range lookup, 2 values can go in here. Either you type in false or you type in true. If you type in false, it means you want to get the exact information. If you type in true, you want to get something similar to the information that you're looking for. We want to get the exact information. So I'm going to type in the false there. So once you do that, you'll see the information is already, or the detail is showing at that point. So you click OK. If you click OK, if the other cells are empty, just autofill and the information is copied down. So I want to fill up this address. The same thing that I did, click on that point, the function, insert the function, scroll all through down, choose the Vlookup, click OK, and here lookup value. What value do you have that you want to use to get information from the other table? Here, this is what is unique at this point, so that's what I will be working with. Account number, table array. Remember, we already named this table detail, so it's either you type in detail and ensure that it's correct, the exact correct letters that you typed in. It's either I type in detail here in the table array, or I just go ahead and select that entire table where I want to get the information from. Once you select the entire table, because you named that table detail, it's going to show detail. So that's what we see there. Either you type in or you select the entire table. Now, in the column index number, click on that point, column index number. This is where I'm getting the information from, and what I want to fill up is addresses. So here becomes 1, 2, 3. So the addresses in this particular table is 3, number 3. So column index number from that table you're getting your information from is 3, because address is here. Range lookup, like I did explain, it's either a true or false. False is you're getting the exact information. True is you're getting something similar to that, to what you're looking for. I want to get the exact information, so I will type in the false. Now once you do that, you'll see the information showing here. If it doesn't show and it shows red text, no, you have gotten your information wrong. Click OK. Alright, so once you click OK and these other cells are empty, run your autofill and fill up the entire column. So that's it when it comes to naming a range. When you name a range, B16, like this particular one, a recap, B16 column D20, you look for the exact range. B16 D21, you select that entire range. So each time you are working on Vlookup, and you can decide to just select the range and it goes into your function argument box, and you can work with it. I hope you do like this video. Please kindly click the like button, share the video, and also subscribe if you haven't done so. Don't forget to drop your comment in the comment sections below, and I'll look at them and respond. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.